Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to the new update on Veracity. Recently, after breaking out the descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, Veracity has finally broken out this very long-term and very strong resistance zone that starts from $0.0045 and goes to $0.005, almost at half cents. That was previously working as a very strong support zone here and support zone here, and now after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejection here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then we can even watch the previous history of this resistance and support zone as well. Like here, it was breaking as support, resistance, support zone, and resistance zone. And now we have broken out this resistance zone, and it can now work at a very, very strong support zone for the price and for the long term. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Santos, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 7th of November 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal here as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity. And first of all, let's move to the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this descending triangle. And before that, you can see that the price also broke out this channel as well. But after the breakout, the price was rejecting. It was getting rejected again and again by this downtrend and resistance of this descending triangle. And finally, we have broken out the resistance. By the way, here we had a complete support zone at the support of the triangle. That starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone had been previously working as a very strong support zone here. And this was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern as well. And now again, for the past several months, several weeks, it was working as a strong support zone. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this triangle, then technical target for the breakout uh, from this triangle can be here, approximately at this resistance, slightly higher than this resistance of $0.0095. That is a quite long-term resistance. And the target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel at 1.5 cents, but slightly higher than this target. We have this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. And in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, now it can also hit this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents. And this 1.7 cents has been, by the way, previously working as a very strong support here. And therefore, now it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.